Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your INFINIX Hot 12i. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Next is to find Firefox browser, install it, after installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. From here we can customize it, so pick a theme, toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices, read the privacy notice, and then click on start browsing. Now let's open any website. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.